Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download YouTube in a minute. Remember, this channel will grow with your support, then pass to the video. First, we log into our web browser and type YouTube in the search field, and then log into the YouTube official site. As you can see, we have a download button here, but if you're using the Microsoft Edge browser, it's just as easy. Simply click on the three dots in the top right corner, hover over the Apps section, and you'll find the download option right here. Click here to install app, and as you can see, YouTube is installed. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. See you in the next one.